Royal Challengers Bangalore captain Virat Kohli explained why he decided to step down as RCB skipper at the end of the IPL 2021 season. Claiming workload being the biggest factor behind his decision, Kohli said he did not want to be dishonest towards his responsibility. Firstly, workload was the main factor and I did not want to be dishonest towards my responsibility. If I cannot give 120% to something, I am not someone who would hold on to something. I am not attached to something like that, and that was always very clear in my mind, Kohli said.
दो चीज़ें थी, एक तो वर्कलोड वाज द मेन फैक्टर और दूसरा ये कि मैं डिसऑनेस्ट नहीं होना चाहता था जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी मैं कर रहा हूँ उसकी तरफ। अगर मैं 120% नहीं दे सकता हूँ तो मैं वो सिर्फ एक चीज़ को पकड़ के बैठने वाला इंसान कभी नहीं रहा हूँ और मेरे को किसी भी चीज़ से अटैचमेंट नहीं है, तो ये मेरे दिमाग में हमेशा से बहुत क्लियर था।
While talking to a leading sports broadcaster, Virat Kohli also revealed that he had discussed leaving captaincy with his teammate AB de Villiers in 2019. About this decision, I had spoken to AB in 2019. It's not new. With the IPL, I was always in a space where I wanted to create a peaceful environment. We had this discussion and then I thought we will give it one more year, Kohli said. The Indian skipper had recently announced that this will be his last season as the captain of the franchise and that he'll continue to be a part of the side just as a player. The decision came soon after the announcement that Kohli will give up the captaincy of the Indian team in limited overs cricket after the upcoming T20 World Cup. Kohli has failed in leading RCB to an IPL title since taking over as the captain in 2013. Meanwhile, RCB would look to beat KKR and set up a date with the Delhi Capitals for a chance to meet Chennai Super Kings in the final. Kohli would certainly like to sign off with the title.